Most of us waste hours designing decks, documents, and social media content from scratch. But what if AI could generate all of these in minutes? That too by a single tool. That's what gamma.ai does for you. Welcome to our AI enablement learning series for everyone. Let's now see what Gamma is capable of. Firstly, come to this website and you can directly set up a free account by clicking on this button. So you can easily log in by clicking on this link, continue with Google by your Gmail ID if you already don't have a free account yet. Also, now once you log in, you can get started and your gamma.app website will be open. Now, once you signed in successfully, you will land up on this screen, as you can see, from where you can start creating your respective designs. There are three ways in which you can create Gamma. Number one is outline. You can paste your pointers. This will be your go-to option if you already have some text prepared to use. Number two is the prompting one. You can type your ideas and your design will be generated. And the third one is by importing file or URL. It can import content from Google document, PDF, Notion, or any URL. It helps you enhance your already existing work. So these are the three ways in which you can create your Gamma. Today we will check out the prompting option. So let's take the following prompt. I'm pasting it over here. So in the prompt, I have written the detailed explanation of what I want my slides to be there. I want my slide deck to be on generative AI. And I have given various pointers on what all I want to cover in my slide deck. Let me reduce it to 8 slides. Now we have been given two options over here, freeform or card by card. We can add other details as well by adding another card and putting other details, whatever is required by any individual. We also have various options of customization here, that is amount of text. You want minimal text, concise text, extensive text, what tone you want your slide deck to be in, what theme you want your slide deck to contain. You can also select from where your image source needs to be there. That is from stock photos, web images, illustration, animated GIFs, etc. You can also put the image art style, illustration, abstract, 3D, etc. Now let's click on generate. So overall you can customize your themes, layout, text and many more things. You can also add interactive elements like button, embeds and videos. As you can see, the generation is going on. You can also select the themes of your slide from here. So as you can see, it has also given us a conclusive slide that what the key takeaways are. So this is just one example on how Gamma helps saves hours for engineers, content creators, product managers and many other teams. So if you wish to dive deeper into the world of AI and Agentic AI, feel free to contact the program advisors of Interview Kickstart. Thank you very much.